So what's cracking, JP from JP's Pet Nation? How you all doing? I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, let me know a bit about yourself. It's always nice to talk to you guys. In today's video, we're going to the butterfly house. I hope you enjoy it. I'm just going to do like a little montage for you, show you some of the beautiful animals what are there. I'm going to try and film as many butterflies as I can to get like the beautiful colours. There's so many different types there. Also got some really cool reptiles, inverts, and some birds. Pretty cool little place, first time I've ever been. So sit back, relax, get yourself some popcorn, enjoy yourself, and let's get on with today's video. See you soon. Next place we'll be going to is Discovery Zone, as you can see. So let's pop inside now and have a look what's in here. Hopefully something cool. And the first thing we can see are these caterpillars. These caterpillars are all going to be growing up to basically be butterflies. This is the first stage of a butterfly caterpillars. The next stage is to turn to cocoon. And as you can see from these ones are hatching from their cocoons. These are absolutely beautiful species of butterflies. You can see we've got some gorgeous orange and black markers on them. I'm not 100% sure on these species if I'm honest with you, but they're absolutely beautiful. And when they've all hatched, they literally turn into butterflies and get released back into the butterfly farm. Pretty cool little creatures. Let's get on with the rest of the video and let's show you some more gorgeous little butterflies and also some other creatures over here. a quick stop here. These are some of the tarantulas I've got here. Let me know in the comments below what you think this tarantula is, and what do you think of the setup. Do you think it's good? Do you think it's bad? Do you think the water bowl's okay? Do you think the substrate's okay? And also, tell me what you think this species is. I think a lot of you are going to catch to get this one, if I'm honest with you. I think the first one's going to be more tricky for newbies. Absolutely beautiful little tarantula though. Very common in the pet trade as well. And a nice size. Also gorgeous little giant spiny assassin bugs. These are absolutely beautiful creatures. Very cool. I keep them myself. Beautiful little creatures, and one of the biggest species to keep in the hobby of assassin bugs known to mankind as well, which is pretty cool. Also guys, as well as free roaming birds, we've also got spiders, butterflies, and also ants. It's a pretty cool place to be part of. And look at this gorgeous little spider here. And as we're going on gorgeousness, and look at this beautiful little lizard. It looks like a little dinosaur sticking his head out there. Absolutely gorgeous little boy. Very chilled as well. So with all that said guys, let me show you some of the rest of the animals. And this gorgeous little crayfish is no exception. Beautiful blue claws and red. Stunning. Alright guys, with that said, enjoy the rest of the video. And we're back now guys. So that was the butterfly house. Hope you liked it. There's some gorgeous little butterflies there, and also them iguanas. Holy crap, they are gorgeous and massive. He's a big boy for sure. Alright guys, subscribe if you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell, and also like this video, and I promise you I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye bye.